huh?
Bill, wow.
Well, they're probably not taking care of it right. Just follow these steps and within no time, your cat should be back to love you again.
What? A litter box. Food and water. Toys. Step 1. Get a cat.
Get food and water dishes and make sure they're always filled.
Always give attention to your cat. Pet or play with your cat to give attention to it.
Litter box every day.
Make sure your cat always has toys to play with.
By following these steps, you should now know how to take care of your cow.
Did you say cow?
Sorry.
Rudy. Retake. Are you having fun? What are you doing?
Why is